You're welcome to my channel once again. In this video, you're going to learn how to present a lesson in Google Classroom as a teacher using your mobile device. This is a follow-up to a previous video we had done on how to access Google Classroom with your mobile device. And so if this is your first time in this channel, please use the subscribe button and also click on the bell so that you get notifications of other videos that will be coming up in this channel and in this series and other series at no cost to you. So the link to the previous video is going to be provided below this particular video. Okay, so let's want to go ahead and start right away. Now what we would need is we're going to look at, let's go to our Google Classroom. Alright, so we are there. We want to actually present a lesson in, let's say, biology class. Click on it there. Then we're going to go to classwork. Alright, then you click here to create. Click here, you're going to create, and then you have options here the way you have it on your PC: assignment, question, material, topic, and the rest. So let's pick on material. Okay, what's the title? Right, so let's look at, we already have a source of the lesson somewhere, which is this. We want to use this as a lesson. It's another file from somewhere. Okay, want to just do a copy and paste. You can type whatever you can do on your PC, you can do on your phone. Of course, if you click on here, it will actually give you an option to type if you want to edit it. We are going to see that. Okay, alright, so it's giving you, they're already showing you an option to type here. So that's not what we want at the moment. Let's just pick it and go pick the topic we want to make use of and proceed to our Google Classroom. Okay, so the topic is freshwater habitat. That's under biology, right? The biology class. So go ahead and write the topic, lesson habitat. Alright, so you have the instruction here as usual. You can just simply say please study the lesson and expect an assignment worksheet. Okay, that's done. Now the section you have no topic, we're going to copy this, copy, and go there and click on there, paste it there, and then once you paste, you click save. It's showing there. Let's go to now creating the content before we now add it there. It's unlike PC. When you use PC, you're just going to click on, once there you're going to click the next step, which is create. But this one, once you click on the material, create, and then click on material on PC, you're going to have the second section that says create, and then you choose the option. So that's not here. So the option is not here on mobile. That's why it's quite different. We're going to go back to, let's go to our app. Now we use Drive. Okay, now this is a drive, a class drive. Then we have the option to create a new file in the drive. Then when you click on the draft, this plus sign, which is add a new file or new content, then you click on Google Docs. Alright, now you want to ensure that, because it's a major heading, that's the subject. Then you can do every necessary setting here. You can make it centralized, center line. Alright, then you can click on this here to go to check the font size. I want to make it to 30. Like we'll use our PC to do it. So let's type. Alright, the second heading, which is a topic, we'll use the font size to 24. Okay, topic, freshwater habitats. Alright, now we're going to the main content now. Now we'll change everything here because is the main content now. We're done with the heading on underlining. Remove it on underline. Then you set this, go back to left line. Then we're going to come here and then reduce the font size to 18. This time, sorry. I'm going to reduce it. Alright, so we can just start typing from here. Type whatever you want to type, but we have it somewhere. I showed that it showed earlier. So we're going to come here, navigate to where we have the file, the source of the file, which is here. Alright, so we're just simply going to click on here, buttons. Highlights, that's all. Then we click on copy. Okay, we've just copied it. Now let's go to our content, our file. Then right click. It's small, but remember, so it's a touch screen. Just you can use your finger and then click on paste. It's there. What is not there now is the images. So we can actually source the image directly. Then we'll add image using a PC. We can delete this. Okay, now we've pasted all that what we want to paste there. Okay, now let's make it, for the sake of this video, normally, so that we can, when we go to we can check it out on the PC. In fact, you don't actually need to check it. So once you're done, I think your lesson, your content is ready. So you're done with your content, and the next thing we want to do is to actually title it. So there is no title. It's area. Click on it, and then type habitats. All right. So you're done. So it's now a titled document. Document ready to be posted to the class. The next thing we want to do now, since we're done now, we are done with our content. Alright, next thing we want to do now is to now come back to the class drive and then refresh it. So it's there in the class drive. You see it there in the class drive. Once you refresh the class drive, you see everything there. So it's in the class drive. So at this point, you now proceed to the Google Classroom. Here, it's ready. So now click on here, go to Drive, go to My Drive, and then it's there waiting. So you click on it, and then you click on select. It's loading. Good. There you are. And then simply come here. You click on here, you're posting to the class. It's there. Now it's asking you to show the material created. Show. Click on show. There you are, it's in the class. Boom. So that's it. So even if you use a PC to check it, you're going to see that material there posted in the class right away. So alright, so that's how to create a lesson and Google Classroom using your mobile device as a teacher, so you don't need to bother yourself carrying PC around. Okay, alright, so if you really like this lesson, please give us a thumbs up, and please do not forget, if you're the first time in this channel, please use the subscribe button and then click on the bell beside the subscribe button so that you get notifications of any video that will come up in this class, in this series, or other series in this channel. Alright, thank you very much for your time. See you in the next video.